Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can find Filevine settings. So first of all, here the fastest way you can access your Filevine settings in less than 10 seconds. So go to the left corner of your main menu. So which is here. So you click the icon and you navigate to setup. So then select setup. So it will take you directly into your Filevine settings area. So this is my Filevine settings like this. You can see your profile image, your username, your calendar, notification, your org, members, as you can see. So that's it. So that's the first steps on how you can access your Fiverr settings. And this is the second method. So this is the fastest option actually. So you can click on your profile icon, which is here on the right corner. So you select it, then you select Fiverr settings. So this shortcut will open the same settings page instantly. So that's how you can access your Fiverr settings. So from here you can update your profile, your notification, your calendar. As you can see, I've already connected my calendar here. So you can access your team also and the permissions of your team members. So you can do everything for in your Fiverr settings. So follow for more quick Fiverr walkthrough video.